welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my skincare products, sort of like a skincare routine. So if you like these type of videos, keep watching. First, I'm going to start off with what I wash my face with. And lately I have been using the Neutrogena facial bar, and it is dermatologist recommended. It is also hypoallergenic. It is fragrance free, oil free. So if you have sensitive skin, this is a good soap to use because I have very sensitive skin and I love it. And they also have, this is the original, and they also have, it says a acne prone skin formula, which I haven't seen that one because I use other stuff when I have breakouts, but I really like this soap. And this is the way it looks. I had to get another one because I ran out of my other one, but this is the way it looks. And I usually, once I take it out of the pack, I'll put it in like one of the soap dishes, that the travel size soap dishes. You can pick those up at Walmart for like $1. And I got this at Walmart and it was only like $1.98. But I really love Neutrogena products. Then after I wash my face, or during the day, I only use I use the soap, and then I use the Punch Dry Skin Cream Facial Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer, honey. This is my favorite. Those are the only two items I use during the day. As you can tell, I have been dipping in this. But I only dab a little bit all over my face and rub it in really good. And then I'll go ahead and apply my makeup. And then sometimes I use my Physicians Formula or Argan oil. Sometimes I'll rub a little bit of that on. I like to apply this and then put my foundation on, but I don't do it every day. I just do it sometime. But as you can tell, I'm running low on this. I mainly use this one at night. Instead of using the Punch, I'll use the Argan oil. Then I just started using my ULTA Beauty, the Service lip scrub products. I only use this lip scrub maybe twice a week. And I showed this in my last haul video, but I'll use this maybe twice a week. But for every day, I use the lip plumping balm. And it doesn't have that little, it has a mild tingling, but not like some of them are really bad. And this is the way it looks, which I've showed it before. But I'll put that on, and then I'll put the lip oil on top of that. And I really like this lip oil because it's not super thick, but it's thick. And since I've been using it, my lips doesn't get dry or anything. And at night I use the overnight lip mask. So I've been using this every day and every night, these products. But I just use the lip mask at night, and I'll put the oil on top of the lip mask. And it has really been helping my lips. And then for my face at night, before I put the Argan oil on, I use this Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. And I also showed this. This is a like sample size. You can get the bigger one for like, I think it's like $89. But it's a lot in this one. And it's a 0.5 ounce. And it only takes a little bit. You're supposed to apply it right after you wash your face, all of your face, before you put anything else on. And then I'll go in with the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This is a anti-aging cream, and it is it's a sample size, which I really like it. So, and then I think this one is like, it's $40 or $50. It's kind of expensive for a bigger one. And then I use the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm for like, I just dab a little bit. It just takes a very little bit under your eyes. And I really like all of these products. And that's what I use on my face at night. And then to remove my makeup, I like to use the Pure and Gentle Makeup Remover Wipes. And I just picked these up at Walmart for like 96 cents. I'll grab several of them. And it's 30 of them in there. And it usually I usually use maybe about 3 because I use a lot of makeup. And they have aloe, green tea, and cucumber extracts in them. They don't have alcohol in them because they don't burn or anything when you use them. So these are really good for 96 cents. And they are also dermatologist tested. Then for my face mask, I usually try to do a face mask at least twice a week, at least. So the one I've been using quite a bit lately is the Scriptions. And I picked it up at Dollar General. And this was also in one of my haul videos. And it was only like $2. It comes with like a little scooper in there, but I threw it away because it wasn't getting enough on it. So I just used this little foundation brush, dip it in there, and just apply it all over my face. And I leave it on. You're supposed to leave it on for no more than 10 to 15 minutes. And this one you have to wash off. Then I also use the sheet mask. That's what I'm trying to say. It is a gold sheet mask. And I also got this at Dollar General. And it's by Spasations. And it's only like $1. But on this one you don't wash it off. You just, once you take it off, you can leave this one on for 15 to 20 minutes. And I like the gold mask because they have collagen in them. And they like helps your skin, like, you know, helps with wrinkles and impurities of the skin. It's a really good mask. And once you take the mask off, you just rub what's left of it on. It's gonna leave your face kind of wet. Just rub it in real good. And then the next mask that I sometimes use is I got this at Walmart. These only like $1.50, and it's a Dead Sea mud pack. They have different ones. Sometimes I get the black charcoal. That's a really good one for acne prone skin. It tingles a little bit or burns a little bit, but I really like that one too. But this one is the Dead Sea mask. And it draws out impurities and open block pores for clean, soft skin. Use face masks weekly for best results. So when I just switch them all out. But I haven't used this one in a while, but I use these quite a bit. I mostly like my gold mask. I like those better. So, and also drink plenty of water. Water is really good for your skin. I don't use a whole lot on my skin, so I just wanted to share with you some of the products that I use. So don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at mshighmaintenance_33. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you don't ever miss an upload. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.